Nothing here has been copyrighted except where otherwise noted. This work is licensed under the image above, which states the website.
M-A-T-H-S.
Maths. Why is it so important? Why do we need it? What do we use it for?
Who needs math anyways?
So today we are here with Sophia and Emily, and you were listening to our newest reporter, Olivia, and you are watching 20 questions with Vogue Mathematics. First question, why is maths so important?
Maths is related to everything we do. Everything has maths related to it somehow.
Second question, can you name any product that uses maths?
Yes, Cadbury Freddo Faces, as they all require specific amounts of each ingredient and need to be carefully moulded.
This requirement would not be completed without the proper use of mathematical equations.
Great answer. On to the third question. Do you know of any other types of lollies?
Zappos! I love Zappos because they're so sweet, but it has the little punch of flavour.
Good work. On to the fourth question. How would you calculate the weight of an individual Zappo without using a scale?
You would have to find the amount of grams contained in the bag. This should be easily found on the side of the packaging. You also need to know how many lollies there are in the packet.
Then divide the amount of Zappos by the amount in grams. This will allow you to know how much an individual Zappo weighs.
Fifth question. If you were to calculate the weight of each individual Zappo using the answer from the previous question, would you be able to find the weight of all the pieces combined?
Oh, that's easy. You just have to multiply it by 7, as that is the amount that is contained in the pack.
Sixth question. Would you prefer Zappos, Sour Patch Kids, or Freddo Faces?
Zappos all the way.
No way! Chocolate's delicious.
Seventh question. Can you give me another example about how we use maths on a day-to-day basis?
Personally, I think maths is included in many different sports and activities, as well as one of my favourite sports, dance.
Can you give me an example showing how maths is incorporated within different styles of dance?
Can you give me an example instead?
Okay, sure. Dance teachers would often refer to like heights using angle measurements. For example, one might say, I would like your leg at 45 degrees no higher. Or she might say, do a 130 kick.
That was amazing!
I'll turn to ask you a question now.
I'm not sure this is how it works, but okay.
Other than leg extensions, what is another example showing how math is used in dance?
Another example is splits. When doing the splits, it is 180 degrees to be flat on the floor. Should we head to the park and have a look at how maths is used in our surroundings?
Sure.
Why not?
How do you find the speed of the ball that you just kicked, Sophia?
It's just the distance the ball rolls divided by the time it took to roll that distance.
What's your favourite sport?
My favourite sport is netball.
My favourite sport is either dance or soccer.
Why is it your favourite sport?
Because it involves teamwork and you're able to compete with other people and it's really fun.
What should we do now?
How about the swings?
Yeah, that sounds great.
How would you measure the height of your swinging anyways?
The easiest way to do so is by using a measuring tape.
Simple but logical. Only 5 questions to go. Want to follow me and head on down to Marist Bay Park?
Sure.
So here we have this beach area. What qualities of this area proves that maths is involved in the construction of this place?
The depth of the water needs to be measured to ensure that water levels are high enough for boats to travel safely.
Nice answer. Since we are quite tired, we should grab a snack. Because we are eating, do you ever use math when you're cooking?
Yeah, during cooking we use a lot of measurements to ensure that the cake, cookies, cupcakes, etc. doesn't end up all out of whack.
Great answer. Second last question. Do you think you use maths when driving?
Definitely. We need to ensure we stay in the set speed limit, meaning we have to be able to read numbers.
Should we head back home now?
Yep, good idea. Let's split the snacks we used early in the video.
Thank you guys for your time today. You have definitely helped myself and my viewers learn more about how maths is so important. First question.
My voice cracked.
Maths is literally related to everything we do.
I thought it was a photo.
Same.
Okay. So, let's just quickly do it properly.
That's what I was doing in the air like this.
Oh, you have to grab me like...
Ah!